Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to find items using Google Lens on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first open Chrome, and then on the home screen press this little camera icon. Give it access to your gallery. So now you can choose to search using camera or select images from your gallery. Let's select this one, for example. As you can see, it displays a bunch of information on what it thinks it sees. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.